Hi guys, welcome to bestofteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to off this type of message. Like this, you can see this carrier info. It's in BSNL SIM. I got every time this message. How to stop this message? You can do this process. Definitely it will gone. Just go to your message section and after that click start chat and type here the number. Send a message to this number 1925. Type the message stop STOP and send it. Okay, it's sent successfully. Now I'm going to check. I got on another message. Your request GPRS deactivation is received for this mobile your number. So after that the problem is solved. Now onwards you didn't get any carrier info. So thanks for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe this channel. Have a nice day.